the president and governor, not for the chief minister. And do you know, for throwing a chappal, what are the charges? What sections have been slapped? 308. And how brutally those people are being beaten inside the police stations? Have you any idea? And here they are being taken, even after the arrest, they are being taken in the same jeeps in which they were brought to these spots. Police jeep, can it happen that the protesters will come sitting in police jeeps? Unless Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister, is directing the whole thing? Is it possible?
Sir,
Kerala, it is the start of the collapse of constitutional machinery.
Sir, are you satisfied in the protection which arranged by the Kerala police? Sir,
I do not, I have already told you, I am not the one who fears. Therefore, I do not look at what kind, I am not going into that. I am ready to face any consequences. I know I cannot live longer than I am destined to live, and I cannot die before my time has come.
will ask for the central security.
No, not at all. I am not bothered. I am ready to walk. Yesterday I walked there or not? I am ready to walk alone anywhere. And I tell you, I am going on 16th to Kozhikode, back to Kerala. Anywhere, if they show black flag from some distance, it's okay. If they come near my car, I will get down every time they will come near my car. And I will say to them, instead of hitting the car, hit me directly.
Sir, are you saying that there is a collapse of constitutional machinery in the state of Kerala?
What else? How will you interpret it? If the police is, if the police vehicles are being, and not bus, jeeps, comfortable, they are being used to bring these protesters, and they are being dropped at different places, and the vehicles are standing there. And when they are taken into custody, they are pushed into the same vehicle and they are taken to the police station. Ask those who have shown black flags to the Chief Minister how they have been treated in various police stations, and look at these people. If it is not collapse, what they need to understand is, in Kerala there is a LDF-led government. Kerala is not a communist state. Kerala is part of India, which is a democratic republic. They want Kerala simply because the government there is being led by the communists. It does not become a totalitarian state. It does not become a dictatorial state. Law shall prevail.
Thank you.
And CNN News 18's Sherin is now joining us on this story. Sherin, a very good morning to you. We just heard Kerala Governor Arif Mohammed Khan speaking on the matter, and a big statement was made by him in which he claimed that the protesters came sitting in police jeeps.
Well, the claim that is coming in from the Kerala governor is that how is it that these protesters or these SFI activists actually know the timing when he was supposed to go to the airport from his house to Trivandrum airport to head towards Delhi? How did he know that he will be crossing this particular road when he will be going towards the airport, and what time he will be leaving? Clearly this has been leaked by the police or by the office of the Chief Minister. So that is the big allegation that is coming, that this police and the Chief Minister and these activists were in cahoots with each other, and this was not just a mere protest or just showing of black flag. This was clear attack, physical attack. There was an attempt to physically attack him is the big allegation that is coming in from the Kerala governor. Now the reason why the SFI activists were protesting is that being a governor, he can actually nominate certain people to the Senate of Kerala University, and that being done, the SFI activists have been saying that those names that has been nominated by the governor are RSS affiliate, or they have an inclination towards the Sangh Parivar. So that is the allegation by the SFI, and they were protesting against him. But the Kerala governor has been saying that this is a big security lapse. He has Z+ security. his routine and his timing, all these were leaked by the Kerala police or by the Chief Minister's office to physically threaten him, to physically attack him. So at the moment we have seen just few minutes back the MOS ME and also the MOS Parliamentary Affairs Minister V. Muralidharan reached the Kerala house. He also in fact condemned this attack, saying that the law and order in Kerala has completely collapsed. It is the left Gunda Raj which is going on. So this is not going to stop here, because our sources have been suggesting that the governor will in fact be taking up this at the highest position. He will in fact be making a formal complaint as well regarding the security lapse, and now he has been saying that on 16th is when he'll be returning to Kozhikode, and if any such protest happen, if his car is attacked again, he will come out and will directly ask these protesters to attack him instead of attacking his car. So this is not going to go down. It is only going to escalate from here, is what the sources have been suggesting.
All right, Shireen, please stay with us. Now let's listen in to what MOS MEA Muralidharan said after meeting Kerala Governor in Delhi today.
The level of law and order situation has reached in Kerala. The fact that he was attacked thrice during his travel from the Raj Bhavan to the airport, a distance of around 5 kilometers, and the fact that these people were let loose by the ruling front and police was made ineffective to suit the interests of the people who were there to attack the governor. So it shows the level of, it shows where the law and order situation has reached in Kerala. The Kerala Chief Minister and the Communist Party Secretary has been issuing threats to the governor during the last few weeks.
And now CNN News 18's Neetu is joining us on the story. Neetu, what action has been taken against the protesters?
See, right now the SFI State Secretary is meeting with the media, and they are saying that these protests will continue because the governor as chancellor has been making certain appointments to the Senate without following any of the guidelines, and they are alleging that he is putting up RSS nominees into the Senate members by following or by not following any of the guidelines. So these are the allegations that are coming in from the SFI. They say that the protest against the governor as chancellor will continue in the coming days.